This weekend I installed two large paintings I was commissioned to paint into a church in Norton, Ohio. The church is St. Andrew the Apostle. The paintings are the Calling of St. Andrew, which I painted in October of 2022, and the Crucifixion of St. Andrew, which I painted in the spring of 2023. If you've been following along, you can see I've been also creating two large tabernacle frames that I built custom for the job. And my son and I were working on installing these this past Friday night. On the left side you can see is the Calling of St. Andrew, and the right side is the Crucifixion. I was really happy to see how the whole commission turned out, and most importantly, I was really happy to have my son's help to help me install this incredible job. So thanks again, Lex.